friends, in this video we are going to discussing about how to installing the Telnet in Windows Server. First, click the Start menu and typing the Control panel. And go to Programs and Features here. And here choose the Turn Windows Switches on or off. Wait a little. Scroll down to Telnet and give Ticket. Already the Telnet was installed in this Windows Server. Click OK. Opening the CMD to see the how is it working. And again click the Start menu and typing the CMD. On the CMD, right click, choose the Run as Administrator and click Yes. Here typing the Telnet. Press Enter and see what's happening here. It's done. Thank you. Have a nice day for all.